Look, listen, and repeat. Weather. Weather. The weather is sunny today. Weather forecast. Weather forecast. I always check the weather forecast before going outside. Season. Season. There are 4 seasons: spring, summer, autumn, and winter. Spring. Spring. Spring is my favorite season. Summer. Summer. In summer I like to swim at the beach. Autumn. Autumn. Trees shed their leaves in autumn. Winter. Winter. I like to play in the snow in winter. Cloud. Cloud. Look at the fluffy white cloud in the sky. Sun. Sun. The sun was shining brightly overhead. Overcast. Overcast. The sky is overcast today. Wind. Wind. The wind is blowing strong today. Fog. Fog. The fog hid the mountain peak. Drizzle. Drizzle. A gentle drizzle began to fall. Rain. Rain. Plants need rain to grow. Heavy rain. Heavy rain. She was caught in a sudden heavy rain. Hail. Hail. I heard the sound of hail hitting the roof. Storm. Storm. They decided to stay indoors because of the storm. Thunderstorm. Thunderstorm. The power went out during the thunderstorm. Lightning. Lightning. The lightning struck the tree. Hurricane. Hurricane. The hurricane caused a lot of damage to the coastal areas. Snow. Snow. We had snow in May this year. Sleet. Sleet. The sleet made the roads slippery. Blizzard. Blizzard. The blizzard created dangerous driving conditions. Rainbow. Rainbow. A beautiful rainbow appeared after the rain. Sunrise. Sunrise. She woke up early to watch the sunrise. Sunset. Sunset. The sky turns colorful during the sunset. Dew. Dew. The morning dew glistened on the leaves. Puddle. Puddle. There was a big puddle on the sidewalk after the rain. Ice. Ice. The ice melted quickly in the hot sun. Icicles. Icicles. The icicles sparkled in the sunlight. Snowdrift. Snowdrift. The winter storm left behind massive snowdrifts. Cold. Cold. It's cold outside, so wear a jacket. Heat. Heat. The heat of the day was intense. Drought. Drought. The region suffered from years of drought. Humidity. Humidity. Her hair is curly from the high humidity. Test yourself. What is this season? Spring, summer, autumn, winter. Autumn. What is it? Fog. Which picture shows the drizzle? This one. What is it? Rainbow. What is it? Storm, thunderstorm, hurricane, lightning. Hurricane. Which picture shows the dew? This one. What is it? Icicles. What is it? Cold, humidity, heat, drought. Humidity. Which picture shows the blizzard? This one. What is it? Sunrise.